Good morning. This is your English grammar class. Students, get ready with your English grammar book. Students, get ready. Students, get ready. Very good morning, students. Very good morning. So get ready with your English grammar book. Students, in the previous class, we just started chapter verbs, isn't it? So chapter number 18, open chapter number 18 and page number 52. Get ready. Students of class 4, get ready. Students of class 4, get ready with your English grammar book, chapter 18, page number 52. Okay. So, students, number E, exercise number E, we already completed, isn't it? So, yes. Students of 4 far, can you hear me? Okay, very nice. So, page number 52, are you ready? Are you ready, students? Okay. Yes, yes. Now, I will ask questions. Okay. I will ask questions, you will answer me. A verb denotes, okay, a verb denotes or tells us what a person or human, a verb, okay, verb, okay, what a person or a human being is, and another point, a verb tells us what a person or thing, tell me answer, does, okay, and what, yes, yes, that is does, doing, okay, and the last one, a verb tells us what tells us about a person or thing, tell me, has, that is has, okay, that is possession. Do you remember that? Okay. So, now tell me, students, now tell me, a verb is made up of how many words? A verb is made up of how many words? It can be made up of, yes, I also can hear. Students, mute your microphones. Mute your microphones. Yes, now the sound is clear, isn't it? Students, now you can hear me and see me properly. Okay, tell me, a verb is made up of how many words? A verb, give me your response, quick answer. A verb is made up of, it can be made up of dash, yes, we can say one word, or it can be made up of how many words? 2 words. That means more than 1 words, and it also can be made up of, tell me, not 3 words, I mean more than 2 words. Okay, just tell in this way, more than 2 words. Isn't it? Okay. Now, I need answer only today. Today I need only answer. Students, 2 sparrows, number 1, 2 sparrows lived in a banyan tree. Tell me which one is the verb? 2 sparrows lived in a banyan tree. Yes, lived, only lived. Now, at home or not. Okay. Number 2, they were very good friends. Which one is the verb? Not good. Where? Number 2, where? Number 3, who will guide us in our work? Tell me. Only guide? Only guide. At first think first. Will guide. Will guide. Okay. Number 4. Now I am asking, hey students, write your answer. Number 4. Okay. Send your answer. Throw the ball to me. Throw the ball to me. Which one is the verb? Throw. Write your answer. Write your answer. Let me see how many are writing. Number 4. Throw the ball to me. Write the answer. Send me the answer. But students, I asked, this number is for me. I have asked first number, second number, third number. Now, my fourth number question is, throw the ball to me. Which one is the verb? Tell me. Clear? Throw. Now, my next question, answer me. The ostrich has powerful long legs. Write the answer. The ostrich has powerful long legs. Now, answer. Quick, quick, write. The ostrich has powerful long legs. Right answer. Write quick. Shubhangi, write fast. Shubhangi, do fast. Do fast. Has. Next. Next number. Students are writing, but I am not getting the answer. Okay. The next one. The queen had a magic mirror. The queen had a magic mirror. Now, tell me which one is the verb? The queen had a magic mirror. Do fast, do fast. The queen had a magic mirror. Which one is the verb? Write your answer. Send me. The queen had a magic mirror. Had. Okay. Now. Next. Next number, number 8. It uses them for self-defense. It uses them for self-defense. Which one is the verb? It uses them for self-defense. Students, why are you too late? I think due to net problem. Net is slow, that's why. Okay. It uses, yes, I can see that you all are writing. But why the answers are coming too late? Maybe net is too slow today. Okay. It uses them for self-defense. So, which one is the verb? Uses. Now, number 9. Yes, last night we had a delicious dinner. Now, you will tell me the answer. Had. But students are not sending me the answer. Right. Not coming. Why? Okay, but it is not showing here. I think net is due to net. Okay, so the answer is had. Very good. Next, number 10. We have purchased a new DVD player. Yes? We have purchased a new DVD player. Tell me the answer. Very good. Tell me your name. Tell me your Yes? Very good, Shourangshu. Next, number 11. Look up. Look up and you will see the tops of tall palm trees. Only? Yes? Yes? Tell me. Very good. Tell me your name also. Onusri, very good. And other students who gave me the right answer, tell me your name. Tell me your name. Very good. Next, number 12. Hard teacher. Yes, very good. Number 12. Hard teachers are very happy with her progress. Tell me. Not happy. Only are. Happy adjective. No. Next. Yes, are. Only are. Number 13. We should do breathing exercises regularly. Should do. Don't know what is happening. Answers are not coming. You know, students? Okay. Next. The teacher was absent. Now tell me. Very good. Next. I only told the teacher was absent. Now tell me. The teacher was absent. Which one is the was? Was. Now, part is still the children were walking quietly in the class. Still, yes, were working. Were working. Yes, very good. Number 15. These students are going to the computer. Yes, let me finish. Students, don't be so excited. Let me finish. These students are going to the computer lab. Now tell me. Yes, are going. Are. Shubhangi, where are you? Why are not you giving answer? Shubhangi Chaudhuri. Next. Number 16. They need some information from the internet. Yes. Yes, very good. Shruti is very talented. Shruti is very talented. Is. Is. No, no, no. Yes. Next, she will grow into a fine singer. She will grow. Will grow. Yes, yes, will grow. Number 18. You must swim at this beach. Swim. We all know, isn't it? Swim. Yes, swim, swim. Yes. Number 19. Mr. Gupta has got at least 3 big cars. Has got. Mr. Gupta has got at least 3 big cars. So, has got. Next, number 20. Papa is taking his dinner. No, 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 no. Is taking. Is taking. Papa is taking his dinner. Now, he will join you in a short while. He will join you. No, 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 no. Will join. Yes. Yes, yes. Very nice. Now, yes. Now, we will move to the next part. Isn't it? Okay. Now, exercise number F. Okay. A nursery rhyme is given below. Okay. You must have read it in your earlier classes. Now, underline all the verbs in it. So, here it is a nursery rhyme. Okay. We will underline verbs in every line, in each line. Clear? Now, A was an apple pie. Was. Okay. B, eat. Very nice. C, yes. C, cut it. Cut. Dealt it. Dealt. Ate it. Ate. Spelling. No. A-T-E. Fought for it. Fought. Got it. Got it. Got. Had it. Inspected it. Joined it. Joined. Let me read. Kept it. Kept. Okay. Lord, isn't it? M. Mourned. Yes. Nodded. Next. Yes, opened. pipped. Yes, very nice. Who is giving the answers very fast? Who is giving the first one? Tell me your name. Okay. Okay, very good, very good. Then, yes. Yes. Stole. Yes. T. Took. U. Upset. V. Viewed. W. Bah, very good, very good. I'm so happy. X, Y, Z. Okay. All wished for a picnic in hands. Yes. It is not needed. Okay. X, Y, Z is not needed to write here. So, I repeat. You will read with me. Okay. A was an apple pie. Next line. Next line. Next line. Read. B bit it. C cut it. D dealt it. D. Very good. E ate it. F fought for it. G got it. H had it. I inspected it. J joined it. K kept it. L longed for it. M mourned for it. M. N nodded at it. O opened it. P peeped into it. Q quartered it. R ran for it. S stole it. T took it. U upset it. V viewed it. W wanted it. Okay. So, yes. Okay. So, was, bit, cut, dealt, ate, fought, got, had, inspected, joined, kept, longed, mourned, nodded, opened, peeped, quartered, ran, stole, took, upset, viewed, wanted. Okay. So, students, this chapter is, yes, tell me. It will be informed to you, okay? Don't worry. That is not your headache, that is not my headache, okay? School will declare the date. Yes? Tell me your name. Shubhayan, you are not present. I told 2 days, okay? You will get the videos. Okay? Today the class is over. Okay? You please check the video. Okay, for today, bye students. Bye-bye.